Hey, it's Rich going over our Newberry assignment. For the book that I chose Box. Henry Brown Mails Himself to Freedom. This book is about a man who mails himself to freedom. He was a slave, and then he mails himself to freedom. The author is Carol Weatherford, and the illustrator is Michelle Wood. This book is for 10 to 15-year-olds. But the story is about a man named Henry Brown. He was a slave from the time he was born, and he had a plan to mail himself to freedom to Philadelphia, and he knew he needed help to do it. He got two people to help him, but he knew he needed time off from work. He cut his finger and poured acid on it until until the bone was showing. Once his master saw the bone showing, he allowed him to take a few days off from work that he needed to plan his escape. When he was traveling to freedom through the box, he almost died. They painted this side up, but the box never really stayed that side up, and he fell on his neck and cracked it, and he almost died in that box. But once he got out of the box, he changed his life. He became a magician, and he tells the story through his magic acts, because he still gets in a box and separates in two. I think this was a really good book. It tells about the how much this certain person went through to escape slavery. I feel like it's a good book to show how African Americans and what they had gone through. I believe that one lesson that can be learned from this is that, if there's a will, there's a way. If you are determined enough, you will find a way to succeed and to fulfill your plan. And Henry Brown fulfilled his plan. So, thank you.